Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Stock Movers. It's a podcast. It's with Lisa Mateo. Pray tell, which stocks moveth?
Let's go with Nvidia. Okay, we'll start there. Nvidia, their shares have been up as much as 1%. A lot of this centering on their chips. So we know, right? President Trump approved the exports of those H200 chips. But now you have this report from Reuters that ByteDance, who you know from TikTok, Alibaba, they're also looking to order them. The companies are reportedly waiting for the green light from China to place the orders. These are reports. But just wanted to put that out there. Now there's another report, though. This one's about their Blackwell chips, which the U.S. has forbidden from being exported to China. But the information says that DeepSeek, that's that Chinese AI startup, they've been developing its next major model using them. And it's kind of this weird way. So basically, they're sent to data centers in countries that are allowed to buy them. And then the servers with the chips are dismantled. And then the equipment is imported in pieces to China.
It's really controversial.
It's very controversial.
To say, at least, Paul, Nvidia, 36,000 people.
Yep.
Netflix, 14,000 people. They got about the same valuation.
Yeah.
And after synergies, I guess Netflix then becomes more reasonably priced. How do you trade Casablanca like a chip to China?
I don't know, but they're going to figure it out. So they're just looking for more content. Content is king, as somebody once said.
Oh,
that's still the
nailed
case.
That.
Yep.
Next.
This is Paul's favorite Cracker Barrel. Okay,
Yep.
CBRL.
Oh, you're killing me.
Yes. They're just taking a hit today, down 6%. It's the logo change. I mean, they wanted to remove Uncle Herschel, okay? And people did not like it. They wanted to update the dining rooms. People did not like that, the modern feel. So they said basically they expect sales to fall faster than they previously expected. Its CEO said a recovery is going to take time. Foot traffic has fallen 11% in the current quarter. Visits have kind of stabilized in recent weeks, but they're looking to offset the slowdown, right? They want to cut costs. They said it should deliver about 20 to 25 million in savings. They're changing the marketing strategy, okay? So they're trying to renew those ties with those core customers, right? So they're focusing on NASCAR. They're focusing on college football. They're focusing on country music, veterans, and that's kind of where they're going back to at this point.
Yeah, but the bottom line here, I mean, I'm getting the map up right now. Paul, I mean, at Wheat First Securities, Cracker Barrel was a Dow Jones equivalent.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, yeah.
I mean, there's like 14 Cracker Barrels around Richmond, Virginia.
Same thing for Durham, North Carolina. Same thing for Bowling Green, Kentucky. So there's a few here in the metro area. So you can go to one, Lisa.
There's 5 around Richmond.
Yep, absolutely. And they're all, I think like 90% of the stores are within a half a mile of an interstate. That's kind of the way.
Yeah, you see it as you drive by.
It's a road trip place.
You stop at the next one.
Definitely. Exactly. That's the last time I've been to one when I drove to Florida. Okay, I want to end with GameStop. GME sliding about 6%. Yeah, the OG meme stock. Tom loves it.
Make you do this?
No. So recorded lower revenue in the fiscal third quarter. The breakdown is, so you have hardware, accessories, and software to sales. Those all decline. The only thing that was a bright spot for them were collectibles, where they increased about 50%. And then you have that Bitcoin tie, too, with GameStop. I mean, they bought more than 4,700 Bitcoin in May and June. Its holdings valued at about $519 million at the close of the third quarter. When you compare that to the second quarter, that second quarter was $528 million. So a little bit less when it comes to its Bitcoin.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.